We talked about nothing much in words and gestures, not a common tongue. She laughed when I mispronounced 고마워. Thank you. Her laugh still echoes in my chest. She pointed to the sky, then to the water, and somehow I understood. The clouds began to drift, and the rain turned to mist. She took one last step back and said 안녕, not sure if it meant hello or goodbye.